Good morning, children. Today I am here with you with a new poem that will provide you inspiration. The name of a poem is Nine Gold Medals, written by David Roth. Okay, once again I am repeating you the name of a poem Nine Gold Medals, David Roth. So, student, I am reading the poem for you first. The athletes has come from all over the country to run for the gold, for silver and bronze. Many weeks and months of training, all coming down to this game. The spectators gathered around the old field to cheer on all the young women and men. The final event of the day was approaching. Excitement grew high today. The blocks were all lined up for those who used them, the 100-yard dash and the race to be run. There were 9 resolved athletes in the back of the starting line, poised for the sound of the gun. The signal was given, the pistol exploded, and so did the runner all charging ahead. But the smallest among them, he stumbled and staggered, and fell to assault instead. He gave out a cry, frustration and anguish. His dream and his effort all dashed in the dirt. But as sure as I am standing here telling the story, the same goes for what next occurred. The 8 other runners pulled up on their heels. The 8 old runners pulled up on their heels. The one who had trained for so long to compete. One by one, they all turned around and went back to help him and brought the young boy to his feet. Then all the 9 runners joined hand and continued the 100-yard dash, now reduced to a walk, and banner above the all said Special Olympic could not have been more on the mark. That's how the race ended with the 9 gold medals. They came to finish line holding a hand still, and standing ovation was 9 beaming face, said more than these words ever will. So quite surprised, yes student, because when you take a part in any of the competitions, what happened that either anyone or any 3 of the person can win. That is the first position, second position and the third position. Right? So here students, the athlete has come from all over the country to run, to take, to achieve the gold, silver and bronze medal. Now, many of them has taken a training for a week, for a month, and all has come down for what? To participate in the games. Now, you might have seen even in a school sports day. Now, when you take a participate, yes, you have the willpower. You think that you only one should win the game. There are so many spectators, your parents, everyone is there. Even in the Olympic game, you might have seen the spectators are sitting around the stadium and they cheer, they keep on cheering they keep on cheering for the athletes, right? The final day approach. Now when the final days are come, when the event starts, now all are very excited. Yes. Now 2 starting breaks. Now you might have seen in a athletics, if in an Olympic game, when the participant when they start the running, what they do, there are the different tracks, lines are being drawn out. Yes, and the athletes stand one behind one. They do not stand in a proper line. The blocks are being kept and athletes prepare themselves to stand there. And they wait for a signal. What signal? The fire of a gun. As there is a fire of a gun, what the athletes do? They start running with all power of the all will on the track. Yes? They expose themselves and what is their feeling? Their feeling is to win the medal. But here the thing has gone something disappointed. Okay. Now suppose what happened here? He gave out a cry. Now one of the athlete has fallen down and he started crying with pain and disappointed. Now his dream was almost dashed because now he could not run. If he is running also, now suppose the runner is in a first track, okay, he is in a winning position, his position is in a first. So if he fall down, the other runners from behind may take over him. So he started crying with a pain. And the other, but as sure I am standing here telling the story, the same goes for what next occurs. So author is standing there and he was thinking that how to narrate the story and what the thing is going to be happen. Now, 8 runner. Now, one runner has fallen down. So, how many runner was there? 8 runners. Okay. So, other 8 runner, what they did? They pulled her up on their heels. They had given her support. Now, see, that is the right spirit of the, we can say, sportsmanship. That winning is something different, that we have explained you in the previous lesson, that winning is something different, but helping one another, that is the most great achievement of, we can say, that is the most great thing for a sportsman. Okay, so what these eight of the runner did, they just pulled the ninth one and make them to stand on his hill. And one who has trained for so long to compete, one by one they all turned around and went back to help him. So all went back to help him. And this has brought the young boy again on his own feet. Okay, and again all the 9 of the runner joined each other, but this time the running was something different. They were not participating in a single way. What they did, they hold the hand one another, okay, and they started running, and that was a banner, that was a special Olympic. So all the 9 was the winner and all the 9 got the medal. So understood the poem, children? Okay. So what inspiration of the moral you get from this? Yes. Winning to get the medal by single or by winning in one way is something different. But when you help others, the satisfaction and the love that you get from others, that is a more important. Okay, children? So you might have understood the lesson poem. So, go through the poem and read it out. Have a good day.